If we look further, we'll find a channel called Primitive Technology. This is the case when the title corresponds to the content, because everything you see in his video is done with the most primitive things. For example, he can only light a fire exceptionally with the help of sticks, no matches or lighters or additional things. The hut, which was built with his own hands and made of clay and wood. Dishes for food and pots for water recruitment was made and then baked using clay was in his account. The military arsenal is also impressive. The simplest bow, and what's even more interesting is the primitive stone axe, which, in addition to its formidable form, also copes well with its task. As the author says, he does not live in wild conditions, but only lives on the nature in Queensland in the north of Australia to shoot entertaining content and to do what he likes. He mastered all this skill thanks to books, internet, and also to trials and mistakes. If one day the technology moves back, the Flintstone guy from the Primitive Technology channel will be one of the first who will comfortably take root in such a world.